Hi everyone, welcome to our video on resolving the WordPress 6.4 curl-related bug-affecting plugin and theme updates. We'll guide you through checking curl versions on your sites, installing a blank theme for troubleshooting, and disabling WordPress's built-in automatic updates to prevent future issues of a similar nature. You can do all or any of these instructions, but we'd suggest disabling built-in automatic updates to everybody and using MainWP to smartly manage updates. Let's get started with checking the curl versions of child sites. As you may know, the release of WordPress 6.4 included a curl-related bug that would break updates of plugins and themes and could cause other glitches. Affected sites are the ones running curl version 7.29.0 and likely other versions of curl. If you have a relatively small number of child sites on your MainWP dashboard, the fastest way is to open the child site dashboard and check for curl version in the site info widget. For a large number of sites, we suggest adding a column for curl version to the Manage Sites table. This can be done by simply adding a code snippet using our custom dashboard extension. We have a help article that contains detailed steps and the actual code snippet for adding this column, and we'll leave a link to it in the video description. Next, let's show how to install a blank theme, but only to a specific subgroup of sites. Since one of the issues that arose because of this 6.4 bug was with the Oxygen Builder, let's use that as an example. Let's navigate to Plugins, Manage Plugins page, and then we'll search for all sites that have Oxygen Builder plugin installed and active. Now let's select all the sites in the results and click the Install to Selected Sites button. This is just a small workaround to get those sites selected in the sidebar so we can quickly make a tag for them. Let's call this tag Oxygen. And let's proceed to installing a blank theme to these sites. Navigate to Themes, Install page. Search for a blank theme of your choice. Select it. Then on the sidebar, click on Tags, select the newly created Oxygen tag, and click Complete Installation. Finally, let's disable built-in WordPress automatic updates using a code snippet. We'll assume that you have our code snippets extension installed, but we'll leave a link to our help article for installing extensions in the video description. Click on Code Snippets, type or paste in the code snippet. We will also leave a link to the article containing the code snippet in the video description. Then select the desired child sites, which can be all or just the Oxygen sites for which we created the tag previously. Give the snippet a name, and then most importantly, in the snippet type section, click on Save to wp-config.php. Then, just click on Save and Execute Snippet. That's it for today's overview of resolving the WordPress 6.4 issue with MainWP. Remember, MainWP isn't just a fix, it's your future-proof solution for WordPress management. Subscribe for more tips, and thanks for watching.